How many times have you reacted to a situation and later regretted it? Maybe it was anger, frustration, or anxiety. We've all been there. But imagine if you could stay calm no matter what life throws at you. Imagine never letting emotions control your actions or cloud your judgment. The Stoics mastered this. They didn't just manage emotions, they controlled them. In this video, we'll explore how you can build the same emotional resilience. You'll learn to respond instead of react and navigate life with calm, rational clarity, even in chaos. Let's begin. 1. The root of emotions, how your mind shapes your feelings. Emotions might seem unpredictable, but Stoic philosophy teaches that they come from our thoughts, not events. Epictetus said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." Think of a time you were angry. Maybe someone cut you off in traffic or said something rude. Your first reaction might be frustration. But here's the truth. The event itself didn't cause your anger. Your interpretation did. To master emotions, you must first realize that your thoughts create them. When emotions rise, pause and ask, what am I telling myself about this? Is my perspective helping me stay calm or making things worse? Shift your perspective, and you can change your emotional response. 2. Focus on what you can control. The power of letting go. One of the key Stoic principles is the dichotomy of control. Some things are within your control, and some aren't. Try to control the uncontrollable, like other people's actions, the weather, or the past. Only causes stress. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." For example, if you're stuck in traffic, you can either get frustrated or use that time productively. You can't control the traffic, but you can control how you react. When emotions take over, ask, is this within my control? Can I change it? If not, let go and focus on what you can control. The more you do this, the more peace you'll find. 3. Strengthen your self-discipline. Train your emotional muscles. The more you give into impulsive emotions, the harder they are to control. The Stoics believed self-discipline was the key to emotional mastery. Think of it like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it gets. Seneca encouraged practicing voluntary discomfort, choosing small challenges to build mental toughness. This could be fasting, taking cold showers, or delaying gratification. These small acts train your mind to stay calm in tough situations. Introduce small challenges into your day. Wake up earlier, take a cold shower, or say no to distractions. Every act of self-discipline strengthens your ability to stay in control, even in bigger challenges. 4. Reframe the situation. Change your perspective. Change your emotions. How you see a situation determines how you feel about it. You don't need to eliminate emotions. You just need to stop them from controlling you. One of the most powerful Stoic tools is cognitive reframing, changing how you view a situation. For example, if someone insults you, your first reaction might be anger. But what if you reframe it? Maybe they're having a bad day. Maybe their words don't define you. When a negative emotion arises, pause. Ask yourself, what else could be true? How can I see this differently to stay in control? Reframing gives you power over your emotions instead of letting them control you. 5. Embrace the uncontrollable. Find peace in impermanence. Life is unpredictable, and the Stoics teach us to accept this. They didn't promote apathy, but rather serenity in the face of chaos. Epictetus said, "Freedom comes from self-control." True emotional mastery means letting go of the need to control everything. The more you resist change, the more you suffer. When something unexpected happens, don't react emotionally. Instead, remind yourself, I can't change this, but I can control how I respond. Acceptance doesn't mean giving up. It means freeing yourself from unnecessary stress. Closing thoughts. Controlling your emotions doesn't mean suppressing them. It means understanding, reframing, and choosing how to respond. By focusing on what you can control, practicing self-discipline, and accepting life's unpredictability, you build unshakable emotional resilience. Life will always present challenges, but your response determines your peace. Stoicism isn't about avoiding hardship. It's about equipping yourself to handle it with wisdom and calmness. So next time you feel an emotional reaction building, pause. Ask yourself, what can I control? How can I reframe this for peace? How can I respond rationally instead of impulsively? Every time you choose control over reaction, you take a step toward mastering your emotions. Stoicism isn't just a philosophy. It's a way to live fully, present in the moment, unshaken by emotions that cloud judgment. Every day is a chance to practice, grow stronger, and cultivate inner peace. Embrace these Stoic principles and remember, you are in control of how you feel, no matter what happens around you. Live like a Stoic, calm, rational, and in full control of your emotions.